welcome back to my video. And you might be thinking, why am I standing behind Sainsbury's? Each train we go on, we're going to have some food on it. Okay, let's go into Thames now. So the first thing we're going to get is drinks. Okay, let's carry on. Okay, next, what we're going to get? Marshmallows. Do you think it's good so far? Like the video if you think it's been good so far. Okay, next is Haribo. And now it's time for a joke. There's one thing. Actually, never mind. I don't have a joke. Next, oranges. But, just joking, we're getting one. Okay, next up, Mars bar. And guys, if you didn't know, this is my favourite chocolate bar. Next up on our list is Coke, Diet Coke. Let's go! Now it's a banana time. Hello? No, it's healthy time. Okay, bye. One more thing on the list. Let's go get it. Okay, now finally for the last thing on the list. Peacock tail crisp. I'm not eating all 6, I'm only eating one. And guys, since I know you like my channel, if you haven't already subscribed, bro, why are you not? Just subscribe right now. And now let's go pay. On board our train, and now it's time to eat. You must have guessed it. Marshmallows. Did you guess it? I hope you guessed it right. So guys, I don't know if you can hear me, but we just got off the 707. It's not Charing Cross, but it's London Bridge, because we're going to change it to get the class 377. Let's go get on board, okay? Escalators are like crazy stairs.
Jacob, what train is this?
Well, class 377.
What else do you tell me about the train?
Now about this train, if you come on board it really quick, if you haven't never been been on the Class 377, this is what it looks like. As you can see, if you look around, pretty much always the same. I'm going to just shut the door. Well, but there is also one cool part about this train. Well, as you can see, you can go through the train. Isn't that so cool? Let's go back on that carriage while we're on. Well, in the first class of 377, you get a table. Isn't that so cool? And you might be thinking, where are the tables in this bit? Well, there they are. Pretty cool, huh? Okay. Well, on this train, there are plugs here, so you can plug your things in. And also, we'll see you at East Garran. Apparently that's where it's going to.
East Croydon.
Yes, East Croydon. So guys, we are now at South Croydon. Well, our train had a short platform here because there were 12 carriages. Well, you might be thinking, I never been to South Croydon. Well, we're going to look around you on the camera. We'll show you. I hope you got good. I hope you got a good view.
Oh, say again?
I hope you got a good view. And now we're gonna go. Guys, that's our train there. We're gonna get the train back to London Bridge. I just got on McDonald's and we're at London Bridge.
Morning, mate.
And I'll actually show you, I'm proving it. McDonald's chips.
Hold on.
Monument. We're actually at Monument where the first bit of fire started in London, 1666. Okay, so guys, a quick bit of history. Well, this is where the Great Fire of London started. Let's go, train! Guys, and I'm going to try and make you laugh.
A lobster. What other ones do you know?
That's a crab.
Yeah.
Guys, I bet you don't know where we are. Under London Bridge.
Just walking along the Thames path, and I've just realised I think we left Jacob's arm behind. Where's your arm?
What are you talking about? Right here.
Building a boat. Where do you think we have to go now? Look. Southwark Bridge. Oh yeah.
going home. Okay. And I want you to make you laugh again. Okay, now we're on the train, and now we're going to go to Catford and get a southeastern train home, and then that will be the end of the video. We'll see you at Catford. Guys, this is now the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed today's video. And plus, if you enjoyed this, comment 6-7. And then share this with your friends. And then, if you also enjoyed, like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Wow, that was cool. Let's go my seat. Hey, you. Get off my seat. Good boy. Let's get off this train. Bye.
This station is